So the big question is this: why go after the allies with these tariffs? Why say stuff like our friends have taken more from us than our enemies?
Taking our jobs, taking our wealth, taking a lot of things that they've been taking over the years. They've taken so much out of our country, friend and foe, and frankly, friend has been oftentimes much worse than foe.
It's because Trump and his team believe the global trade system, designed by the US, now works against America, and it's time for a reset. A dominant role in global trade. But as demand for dollars grew and gold reserves didn't, the system hit a wall. It was called the Triffin Dilemma. In 1971, Nixon ended the gold standard and the world economy transitioned to what we now know as neoliberalism.
I have directed Secretary Connally to suspend temporarily the convertibility of the dollar into gold or other reserve assets.
Reagan brought in a more flexible, market-driven system. Lower tariffs, free-flowing investments, floating exchange rates, and the US security for countries that played along. The system made the dollar even more powerful as the world's reserve currency. Now the downside? A strong dollar made US exports less competitive, driving jobs offshore, especially to China after it joined the WTO in 2001. It also increased inequality back home. Step 2, reciprocal tariffs. Eventually, the goal is to make sure every country plays by the same rules. No more unfair advantages for China or anyone else.
This is what tariffs are designed to address. Leveling the playing field such that the international trading system begins to reward ingenuity, security, rule of law, and stability, not wage suppression, currency manipulation, intellectual property theft, non-tariff barriers, and draconian regulation.
And step 3, the Mar-a-Lago Accord, which is a new global deal that mirrors Bretton Woods, but with a twist. Countries that align with US interests get access to American markets and the dollar system, but they'll have to agree to pay their dues. Protection in exchange for tribute? Although this may sound speculative, it matches what Trump's top advisors have been saying for years.